Okay, so the question came up on one of the groups. How do you start your coal forge? You know, that's one of the things that I had to learn when I first started working with coal or solid fuel. I think they had something like this. This real chunky coal, heavy coal like this. So what you have to do, or I do, is I take that and I break it down. Put it between some cardboard or something and a wooden mallet. Crush it up. You need to break it up because you want the powder and the little bitty pieces in there to help get things ignited. But bigger coal like that is just really hard to get going. So what I've got here is I'm going to start a fire right in the middle of my forge. This is a little rivet forge that I had to put a new shield on, do some work to the blower, and got some tool holders here, and I did some modifications to it. But we'll get a fire going in the center, and I'll always sprinkle a little bit of the broken up coal right here in the center, the powder and the little bitty pieces. And once we get this going, get the center fire going, then we can add to it. We can build around it. So let's just kind of start there, and we'll go from there. Okay. Just get you some dried sticks and some other things, and dry pine cones work real good, really well. Of course, the way it is now, it's not going to be hard to find anything dry. So let's see here. Let's get a lighter on fire here. Get that lit up. Just get it going just like you do a fire in the fireplace. Okay, so be sure you got your good fire going in the center, and then start adding your little coal to the middle. You can see it starting to smoke right there, that powder. That's what you want. Once we get this going, then we can add the larger coal to it. And this is what they call, I think, furnace coal. It's heavy, heavy coal. So once you get it going, so you can already see it smoking. The little powder and stuff we put in there. I can already see some of the coal down inside of there that I put around the fire, around the main fire that's already catching on. So always be sure you get the fire going with your lighter or sticks or whatever, pine cones or whatever. Then you can put that kind of on top of it. Because if you don't get that going first, when you put that coal on top or in there, it's going to smother it out. We're gonna back this up a little bit so we don't get a heat warning on that. But that's how I start my coal forge. This larger coal, you got to break it down. You gotta bust it up and get it into some little bitty pieces, okay? Or you won't be able to get it going. Well, I shouldn't say you won't be able to get it going, but that's the easiest way to get it going and get that burning. Now, you see I've already put some of it on top and it's already caught on. And this coal gets really, really hot. That furnace coal gets really, really hot. So, but there's a couple of minutes of how I get that going. I hope it helps you, and see you soon. Bye.